Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix important battery message on any iPhone. So guys, if you get the important battery message on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply make it sure that you are using a genuine battery in your device, or your battery is not dead, or it is not on service. So guys, you have to simply go to about section and then go to parts and service history and then go to battery, and from here you can check if your battery is on service. So guys, you can see this, go to battery and here you can see the important message. That means your battery is not significantly good and it is degraded. So guys, you have to simply visit an Apple authorized service provider which can replace the battery to restore full performance and capacity. So guys, change the battery and after this your problem will be fixed. And if still you face this problem, then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.